100 days of Appsmith non-stopping. That's how long our amazing community member Sangita dedicated to mastering local development, and her incredible journey inspired developers worldwide and showed us what determination can achieve. But we thought, what if we could make this journey more accessible for everyone? That is why we are thrilled to announce the official 30 Days of Appsmith Challenge. And here is how it works. Every day for 30 days, you'll tackle a new Appsmith concept. From basic widgets to advanced AI integrations, you'll build real-world applications that truly matter, learning alongside a supported community and having access to the Appsmith Enterprise features. And yes, earn exclusive swag along the way. And what is the best part? Anyone can do it. Now start your 30-day journey whenever you feel ready. There's no fixed schedule, your challenge begins the day you decide to start. Because hey, great learning happens at your own pace. And we're not just talking about awesome swag. Completing the challenge earns you the exclusive Appsmith Creator badge, feature spotlight in our newsletter, recognition across our social channels, and yes, some seriously cool swag. So what are you waiting for? Check out the link in the description and make this your 2025 New Year resolution.